Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So, here we start with Aries. Aries 2021 April. So, let's see what Aries has. Okay. Aries, you are really wanting to have that control in your work. And right now, I think work is in your control. So let me see what the first week of April is getting you in your workspace. Aries, the first week of April is coming up with a good news at work. Some message, some phone call, something will come, and that is going to be a very good beginning for your work, a good news for your work. Okay, I feel that somebody might come into your life to take your work forward or maybe to help you in the first week. The second week, I feel that there's a lot of energy of getting into self-doubt or trying to close your eyes and I don't want to see. Reason, let me just see. Why are you not seeing? Maybe you're scared. You're scared that what happened in the past regarding money might repeat. So that is why you're having a lot of doubts after this opportunity is coming your way. And having those doubts, fearing that you might lose your money again, please do not keep any fears because things are working out with you. I think somebody might come in your life to do some kind of partnership in the second week. So do not keep that mask or maybe blinker on the eye. Just remove it and look forward, look things in a positive way, take some guidance and then do. Okay, the third week there is a lot of happy energy. There's bonding, that's meeting maybe around your family, your colleagues, your bosses, your business partners. There's a lot of bondings and meetings and happy energy. The fourth week is again a lot of offers. Again, you're thinking whether I shouldn't. Let me tell you, Aries, you should think and then take a step. That is perfect for the month of April, because if you're jumping into something, you might fall into a wrong space. But at the same time, too much of doubt and not wanting to see energy is also not right? So try to see in a positive way, try to step into a positive zone and then take a step, because I feel there will be opportunities coming to you in the month of April, but you are in a lot of fear because maybe in the past you have lost money, but in April, I feel contemplating, thinking, and then taking a step will be good. And the energies are also very positive in your work area. So don't worry. Okay, so let's do a recap. First week, there is going to be somebody coming your way, some opportunity, somebody to make you an offer. Second week, a lot of fear, doubt of losing money. Okay, third week, a lot of bonding, connecting with people. And the fourth week, again, thinking which offer should I consider, which will be beneficial for me. Think and do. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship area. Relationship area, Aries. Relationship area, Aries. Okay, relationship area, Aries. You are, right now feeling very alone. Where somewhere you feel that, you are left alone. Maybe you are just going within yourself and, trying to realize what you actually want. Okay, I feel that in April, there will be some curtain that will be lifted from your life, from your relationship life, where if you are in a relationship, suddenly you will start seeing the good in the person, or maybe there will be some kind of new opportunity for love in the month of April, because I see that you are seeking truth. Okay, so I feel this is more to do with opening a curtain and getting into that space where you actually get what you want. So here, reaching out means you need to talk to friends, take somebody's advice and then take a step. See, again, there is advice card because even in your workspace there was advice. So taking advice will be very good in the month of April for Aries. There is a lot of giving and receiving. So whatever you give, you will get, or whatever you get, you should give. It's no take or give. It's a balance of both. And then there is well-deserved rewards and simply love. So I feel working on these things, somewhere in April, you are going to work on these things. You are going to seek the truth. You are going to take a step. You are going to take advice, and you are going to eventually have the relationship that you have always dreamt of. Right? So this is going to be a beautiful month for you, Aries. Right? So let's see what fairies have to say for you, what message they have for you right now. Okay? Wow, emotional healing. As your heart breaks off old emotional pain, you receive more blessings. So maybe you are still holding on to your past hurts, past issues in relationship where maybe you have failed, you got hurt, so you think things will repeat. No, they will not, because the more you heal your relationship, the better it gets. Your current relationship will get better only if you heal your past relationship. Okay, so I hope you understood that, and it's a beautiful message for you. So please heal your past emotions, and you will ask me how to heal. I've already made a video on how to release your past relationship. Please go on YouTube and see my video. Okay, how to come out of that hurt and feeling of the past. If you want, I'll make one more video for that. Well, that's all, and please do subscribe me, do press the bell icon, don't forget to share it with family and friends, don't forget to like my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye bye, see you next month. Bye.